Hi, it's Phil here from Revive My Ride and welcome to this Mercedes front parking light bulb replacement video. The car in this video is a Mercedes CLK, but the process will be very similar for a Mercedes C-Class W203 or for a Mercedes E-Class W211 parking light change. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is check which parking lamp is out. And the easiest way to do this is to get the Mercedes instrument panel to tell us. So all we need to do is turn the ignition 2 clicks, you don't have to start the car at this point, and then turn the lights on. The warning message will now pop up and you can see it says check front right parking lamp. Here's what's happening at the front of the car. So if we check the front left parking lamp, then it's working as expected. And check the front right parking lamp, then we can see that's not working. But by checking the one that was working, that tells us where in the light cluster we need to look. Now it's time to pop the hood, and the Mercedes bonnet release handle is just under the dash on the driver's side. You just pull this red handle and you'll hear it pop. Now you just have to lift up on this handle and the bonnet will go up. So this is the parking light bulb that we want to change, and access to it is from the back of the light cluster. But access at this side of the car is restricted a little bit by this electric horn. This step is optional because you'd probably manage to change the bulb without removing the horn. But I found the access much better with it out of the way. It's only held on by one nut that you need a 10mm spanner for, and it's a 2-minute job. Now reach behind and turn the bulb cover a quarter of a turn anti-clockwise and it should come right off. And now you'll be able to see the bulb holders inside the light cluster. The one we're interested in is this white one at the bottom here, and it's just a push-in fitting, so you literally just grab it with your fingers and then pull it firmly towards you and it should just come straight out. And the bulb itself is just a push-in into the bulb holder, so you just grab it with your fingers and pull it out. When refitting the bulb, it's worth wearing a nice clean pair of gloves or using a tissue to hold the bulb, because otherwise oils from your skin can get onto the surface of the bulb and cause it to burn out. And now you just push the new bulb into the holder. And then the bulb and holder is just a push fit back into the back of the light cluster. And make sure you don't forget to refit the back cover. And if you removed it earlier, there's just the horn to put back into place. Time to jump in the car and give it a test. And if it worked, why not give me a thumbs up? Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did, then please consider giving me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you get to see my next video. And finally, if you want to see more videos just like this one, then why not check out the recommended videos on the right. Okay, thanks for watching, catch you next time.